Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So friends, today we are going to prepare what are the important topics, events which are very essential for preparation for APPSC exams. Like we are just preparing the current affairs events here, okay. So based on the previous papers or previous examinations conducted by APPSC, now we have a idea. So what are those important current affairs topics or events which we must prepare or which we must have an awareness so that we can just improve our marks. So first of all, nowadays APPSC people are asking questions on abbreviations also, okay, like even the BRICS abbreviation was being asked in the previous examinations, okay, which was recently held. So therefore, BRICS, what is B stands for, whether it is Bharat or Brazil, this was the question. As well as another question was on Khelo India. So Khelo India School Games. So what is the abbreviation of KISG? This was the question. So Khelo India School Games. As well as Kam-Kasa agreement was signed recently by India. So what is the full form of Kam-Kasa? Okay, so it is Communications Compatibility and Security Authority. So this is the question which was being asked. In a single exam, at least 2 or 3 questions are asked on abbreviations. So this is very important for us. Okay, so wherever any abbreviations are there, okay, it may be UNICEF or UNESCO or like NAM, okay, or SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, where recently in the year 2017 India has joined as a new member in SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So India and Pakistan, both nations have joined. So therefore a question may be asked on SCO, whether it is South Cooperation Organization or it is a Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So in such a way we must have an awareness. So wherever India is joining as a new member. Next, there are questions on GST also, goods and service tax. So what are the number of slab rates? Okay, so how many slab rates are there and which products comes under which slab rate? It is very important again. So what is the products under 28%, under 18%? So this is a critical question again. So such type of questions are asking in APPSC examinations. So therefore all the GST news you must have an awareness. Where was this GST ministerial meeting was also held, okay, and who is the persons concerned with GST, like important committees over GST, or who is the first person to bring this GST concept, okay. So this is the main important thing. And here in this episode we cannot give you a complete explanation about each and every topic, okay, because already we have done with the current affairs in the previous episodes, okay. Here just we are just giving you an awareness what to prepare for current affairs. So therefore we will just highlight the important topic here, okay. You people need to elaborate it, fine. Next, important central and state government schemes. Okay, so coming to these important central and state government schemes, remember always nowadays last 6 months schemes are very important here. Along with that, the schemes which are attached with sustainable development goals are very important again, okay. Like 2019 is very important for Swachh Bharat, because 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi to be observed on 2nd October. So it is a 150th anniversary where India is going to celebrate it very grandly, and we want to achieve 100% open defecation free country. Already 25 states were declared ODF states. So therefore 2019, okay, it is a Swachh Bharat year. At the same time, National Year of Millets. So such kind of things may be asked. Under SDG, where under SDG goals, where this Swachh Bharat is being mentioned. So it is mentioned in sanitation, okay, and providing drinking water to the people under SDG goals 6. Okay, so therefore, where is this unemployment, where is this poverty, eradication of diseases, etc., etc. These kind of questions will be repeatedly asked in the examination. Why? Because wherever international organizations will focus on particular areas, automatically the national schemes comes into action, where the state governments also focus a light on that. Even Andhra Pradesh government also has introduced sustainable development goals of Andhra Pradesh to follow the sustainable development goals of the world, SDG goals. So there are total 17 goals which were introduced in the year 2015 with the target year 2030. But SDG goals which are brought down by the Andhra Pradesh government having the target of 2029 itself. So therefore, the schemes plays a major role. Okay, and coming to the state government schemes like Andhra Pradesh, which has recently introduced, that is also very important for examination point of view. In this episode, okay, we will also discuss what are the important state government schemes apart from the central government schemes. So like Vayo Vandana Yojana, to whom it is helpful. So along with that, Narega. So how many districts were being covered, how much budget is being allocated. So what are the areas which is being focused with this Narega program, etc., etc., are very important again. Apart from that, even Ayushman Bharat. So there is a health insurance program which is brought down by Narendra Modi government, and it is the largest health insurance program in the world. So my question may be asked on this, where this was being introduced, on which date. Okay, dates are very important for the State Public Service Commission examinations. It may be ABPSC or it may be for TSPSC also. Okay, next, even the bilateral relations are agreements between India and other countries, between Andhra Pradesh and even other countries. Okay, whereas the participation of Chandrababu Naidu, the CM of Andhra Pradesh, in World Economic Forum, or visit of Andhra Pradesh CM to Singapore, to Japan, to South Korea. So if there is any significant bilateral relations, okay, it may be in administration, it may be in economy. So mostly Andhra Pradesh now, it is a advanced state of course, but it is developing its own capital city. So therefore it needs more of economic infrastructure funds. So therefore, okay, so most of the economic scenario is being discussed, okay, here. So therefore even the examiner also asks the questions. So what is the resources of Andhra Pradesh, and what is the budget of Andhra Pradesh, how much deficit AP is facing right now, and what about the special status category for Andhra Pradesh, and regarding the economic survey of AP, so how much progress AP is being, okay, achieved, so that why AP is standing number 1 position in ease of doing business. Okay, and coming to ease of doing business of World Bank, what are the parameters where a state can be named, categorized under this ease of doing business. Okay, so what are those 10 parameters where a state or country can be selected, okay, are ranked under ease of doing business by World Bank. Such kind of questions may be, okay, repeatedly asked, okay, in the public service examinations. And coming to this international awards, so regarding awards and honors, very important again. Okay, so why? Because maybe India or Andhra Pradesh, okay, receives most of the humanitarian prizes, okay, peace prizes, economic prizes, okay, this will be highlighted in the examination. Okay, why? Because even Chandrababu Naidu, the CM of Andhra Pradesh, has received Global Agriculture Leadership Award in policy leadership. So this will be this was being highlighted in the examination. This will be even get highlighted, okay, in the coming examinations. So at the same time, if there are any international awards, maybe the Nobel Prize, Raman Magsaysay Awards, Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize, where India gives this award, okay, to the Indians as well as to the abroad people. So therefore this kind of questions are being highlighted in the examinations. So we have also seen that Academy Awards, okay, 90th Annual Academy Awards, which was being announced in the month of January 2018. This was also asked in the examination. So therefore, if there are any year-long awards, okay, examiner is focusing on that issues also. Okay, so don't miss the international awards, okay, or international persons which have been awarded by the India, okay, or the Andhra Pradesh, okay, which has received the awards. Following at the same time, rankings, India's ranking as well as state rankings. Okay, so in many cases, environment, forest, agriculture, economy, okay, in ease of doing business, in poverty, in unemployment, in child education, okay, in protection of girl child, such kind of categories, okay, where the awards are mostly received by India or Andhra Pradesh. So therefore, don't miss those also. Of course, okay, we'll tell you in the awards and honors category, okay, fine. So we will mention what are the important awards which are being received by Andhra Pradesh, which are received by even India, and also rankings, India rankings as well as Andhra Pradesh rankings, and most important venues of international events as well as sports events. If India is a venue for sports events, definitely there will be a question on this, okay, or India's participation in Commonwealth Games or Asian Games or Olympic Games. So definitely there will be a question on this. So where is this venue and name of that venue, not only the country, okay, or the city or the state, it is also the venue which is most important. Even any bilateral relations between, like for example, okay, Kim and Trump meeting was held in the month of June, on 10th of June 2018. Okay, so questions will be asked on the venue also, which in Singapore city, which was the area it is. Okay, please mention it in the comment box. Next, appointments, nothing but persons in news. Friends, persons in news is important for the last 3 months. Okay, mostly last 3 months persons in news are being highlighted in the examination. So like appointments, resignations or deaths, if there are any, so there will be a question on this persons in news also. Even judiciary is also important. Okay, like if any high court chief justice is being appointed, automatically that questions are also being highlighted in the examination. If any secretary, chief secretary to the prime minister or chief minister is also being appointed, that questions are also being mentioned. Or any other constitutional, non-constitutional bodies, okay, chiefs are being appointed. So such kind of questions are also being highlighted in the examination. So friends, there is no scope that, okay, persons in news will be missed in the examinations. At least 2 or 3 questions will be from persons in news itself. Okay, so this is very, very important again. And another here, important days along with the themes. Okay, so important days along with the themes. Regarding important days, what are important actually in a month or in a year? How many important days are there, and what are most important, very important, which are asked in the examination? So therefore, all the environmental issues, maybe World Earth Day, maybe World Environmental Day, World Water Day, okay, climate change. So these are very, very important. At the same time, regarding women, so International Women's Day, National Women's Day, Girl Child Day, okay, eradication of child labor, okay, education of girl child, okay, so such kind of questions will be asked. Important days. Along with that, if the country is observing any of the event as important, that also being highlighted in the examination. For example, 21st October 2018. So this day marks 75th anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Azad Hind concept. Okay, so Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose urged okay, to have our own government. So instead of the British government, he urged to have the Indian government to, okay, to take the administration. So therefore he raised a slogan, Azad Hind Government. So this was being observed on 21st of October, and this has been observed a 75th year. Apart from that, even 28th December, where three islands of Andaman Nicobar Islands, okay, were being renamed, like Ross Islands to Shahid Islands. So in such a way, three islands were being renamed. It marks that 75th anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose visit to Andaman Nicobar Islands during the year 1943, not 1945, it is 1943, and he has renamed it is Shahid Islands. So therefore, okay, so in the examination those will be highlighted, okay, following. So and the themes also, for example, we can see here like World Earth Day 2018, which was observed on March 22nd. So what is the theme? This was a question asked in the examination. End plastic pollution. Simple, end plastic pollution. Another question was, what is the theme for International Women's Day? It is time is now. So 2018 International Women's Day is time is now. Okay, so remember recently exam was conducted in the month of January 2019, but examiner has highlighted the important days previous 9 months back. So therefore, any women empowerment days, okay, girl child empowerment days, environment related days, you should not miss it. Apart from that, if there are any persons, okay, who are being observed, you should not miss that even. Okay, next, military exercises. Definitely there will be a question on military exercises also. So like GMEX 18 was being asked in the recent examination. Okay, it is Japan India military exercise. So likewise, white elephant exercise between India Mongolia. So such kind of questions will be asked in the examination. So important events, like you see, 2022 India is going to celebrate 75th anniversary of independence, and 2019 it is 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, as well as Jallianwala Bagh event, 75th visiting anniversary of Netaji to Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, it is 2018. So such kind of questions, as well as National Year of Millets. So this was highlighted by Ministry of Agriculture, Union Ministry of Agriculture. So Radha Mohan Singh, so he has suggested World Health Organization to observe 2018-19 as National Year of Millets. But World Health Organization has now it is observing 2019 as International Year of Millets. Okay, following. So we have requested it in the year 2018, but in the 2019, so they have mentioned it. So 2019 is International Year of Millets, which is being suggested by India. Okay, so now we want to develop millets. So there are nearly 8 type of millets, okay, which are very helpful nutrition food for the health conditions of the citizens. So therefore we are going to develop millets, and we want to produce and export millets to the world. Okay, so therefore, so millets is now being highlighted. So what are those foxtail millets or any other kinds of millets? So this will be highlighted in the examination. As well as brand ambassadors. Okay, so like Mary Kom is being serving as brand ambassador for what? So she is serving for brand ambassador for BSNL, as well as for Sports University, National Sports University, which is being established in Manipur of Impal of Manipur. So therefore, so she is being highlighting it. Along with that, Akshay Kumar, so he is appointed as brand ambassador for road safety. Okay, so as well as for various like PV Sindhu, she is being appointed as brand ambassador for Amaravati. Okay, so therefore such kind of questions are being highlighted in the examinations. Next, important committees. If there are any committees which is to study for state or national issues, so there will be a question on that. Okay, for example, there are committees on Me Too campaign which was being highlighted, which was an under controversy in India. Committee regarding Krishna Tribunal, or committees over Polavaram projects. Okay, committee on UNSTM scheme, Andhra Pradesh UNSTM scheme. So such kind of questions are repeatedly asking in the examination. So this is very very important for us. And coming to books and authors, here the books and authors are asked under match the following. Okay, MCQs. Okay, match the following under multiple choice questions. Okay, you need to identify, okay, the author and the book. Okay, and remember, regarding the books and authors, mostly in the examinations controversial books are being highlighted, because those books will be highlighted in the newspapers. So the people will be having awareness about that books. Okay, so there will be a discussion on that books regarding that controversy. So automatically, okay, books and authors. Even if there are any biography, so those books are also important. Apart from that, if there are any movies, okay, on biopics, okay, like maybe NTR biopic has come and Bal Thackeray biopic has come. So biopic on Sridevi also. So the examiner will ask you the questions on these also. Okay, because these are the controversial things which are in the news. Okay, there will be a discussion on that. Okay, so who is the director, who is the producer, who is the lead role, okay, so under this biopic. So such kind of questions will be asked. Okay, the thing is, examiner want to test you in all the fields, in all the areas, whether you are having an awareness or not. It is not that biopics are really asked in the examination, TV, okay, series was being asked in the examination. It is not that. Okay, following. So in the governance, in the administration, okay, when you are administering the people, okay, we need to know their taste also. Okay, you need to control their ideologies also. Sorry, you need to know their ideologies also. So therefore, so biopics may also be asked. Okay, so even accidental prime minister, Manikarnika. Okay, so it is an historic movie on Jhansi Ki Rani. So who was the lead role, who is the director? So when there is a Telugu director for that, Krish, so that there may be a definite question on this. Okay, so such kind of events you should not miss. And even the books and authors also, the controversial books or important persons writing a book. Okay, for example, like you see, moving on, moving forward, a year in the office. So this book is being authored by Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu. And you know that Venkaiah Naidu is a lover of book reading. Okay, so and he also inaugurated 29th edition of Vijayawada Book Fair, okay, on 1st of January 2018, along with CM of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu. And in that event, so both has mentioned that 2018 will be Telugu promotion year. So Telugu promotion year, so 2018. So on the same event, 29th book fair. So therefore, so moving on, moving forward, a year in office is the book authored by M. Venkaiah Naidu. So he is a Telugu person as well as Vice President of India, authored a book regarding his experiences being a Vice President. So there will be a question on that. There was a question on that, there will be a question on that repeatedly in the coming examinations also. And accordingly, some other books like a controversial books like from Kapil Sibal, Shades of Truth, Shades of Truth. Okay, so this is regarding the governance and administration of Modi government. So being a Congress MP, Kapil Sibal has authored a book. So this has become a controversy again. So apart from that, so there was a book like the emergency Indian democracy darkest hour. So this is the book authored by A. Surya Prakash. So this highlights the emergency days. So emergency days of 1975. So there may be question on this book, who authored this, or a may be question on what are the dates or number of days India was under emergency. So emergency was declared by Indira Gandhi government. So, what are the number of days? Okay, following. So, maybe a question on this also. So, an aspirant should not miss any stone. Okay, should not miss any area when he is preparing for a competitive examinations. Okay, like APPSC exams especially. So, therefore, the friends who are preparing for group 1 examinations, group 2 examinations, or the series of the examinations which are announced by the APPSC. So, you must keep on preparing, keep on reading and keep on revision. Okay. So, the number of times you revise, okay, the success is near to you. So, these are the areas which you must focus on.